Question 6. This question will have a lot of technique about trigonometric equation, and one by one I think you have to using a different technique. Question A is one of technique. You got both sides here is cos and cos, so immediately you can set up two formula about the cos equation. The first one is here and the second one will be opposite of the original angle. And the other term will be 2 pi k, and the next one is 2 pi k. And from the first one you got 2 pi plus 2 pi k, and about the second one you got 4 theta plus equal to 2k pi. Subject divide by 2, you got this one, and divide by 4, you got pi k divided by 4 here. Equation 1 and equation 2. The first equation you will got k and x. About k and x you got minus pi and pi. Minus 1, that is okay. 0, okay. 1, possible. So the first one will have 3 solutions. And the second one you got k and theta here. Sorry, this is not x, this is theta. And about this one you got minus 2, minus 4 is possible. Yeah, minus 4 you got minus pi, minus 3 you got minus 3 pi over 4, minus 2, minus pi over 2, minus 1 is minus pi over 4, 0, 0, 1, pi over 4, and go on. I think that will be longer. K and theta. About 1, pi over 4, about 2, k equal to 2, pi over 2, pi over 2, yes. About 3, 3 pi over 4, about 4, yeah, this is pi. So how many solutions you got here? Minus pi is exactly with this one, 0 the same with this position, and pi the same with this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 solutions for question A. 9 solutions for question A. Move to question B. I think you have to using another technique, and more specific I will using the quadratic trigonometric equation in this one. First step, I have to convert double angle here become to in terms of cos only. You got 2 cos square of theta minus 1 will be equal to 4 cos theta minus 3. And now you got 4 times cos square theta minus 2 minus 4 cos theta plus 3 equal to 0. And now you got 4 cos square theta minus 4 cos theta plus 1 equal to 1. And subject or substitute cos theta equal to t, and then you will got 4t square minus 4t plus 1 equal to 0. I will using my calculator for this question. The solution for this one only have t equal to 1 over 2 corresponding to cos of theta, and 1 over 2 is mean cos of pi over 3. So you got two formula, theta equal to pi over 3 directly, and the next one is minus pi over 3, 3 pi k plus 3 pi k like this one, and minus pi and k. Okay, k and x. K and x. K equal to minus 1, no. 0, yes. Pi over 3. And how about 1? No. K and 3 here. No. K and theta here. Minus 1, this cannot be the right answer. And 0 minus pi over 3, that is possible. And about 1 larger than pi, so this cannot. And my solution of this one will be plus or minus pi over 3. Two solutions for question B. Question 3. Tan 2 theta equal to 2 times tan theta. Okay, the same idea, double angle, you will got 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square of theta for this one, and the other side will be this. The other side you got this one. Okay, and now how can I move to next step? I will change from the left hand side, keep it unchanged, but I move the expression from right to left. Minus 2 tan theta equal to 1 here. Take 2 tan theta outside. You will got the inside bracket. You will have 3 over 1 minus tan square theta minus 1 equal to 0. Sorry, this is 0. And this one will corresponding to two things. The first one, tan theta equal to 0. And the second bracket will be equal to 1. This is equal to 1. And the first equation and the second equation. Change color a little bit. Change that to black. Question 1, you got tan theta equal to 0. It means theta equal to 0 plus k pi k. And between k and theta, making the table, you got minus 1. Yeah, minus 1 is minus pi, 0 is 0, and 1 is pi here. Okay, that is the first. About the second, I will got here is 3 over 1 equal to 1 minus tan square of theta. And for this, you got 3 here, and then you got tan square equal to minus 2. So for this one, I have no solution. Why I have no solution here? Because for this square, you got negative value. So every number when you got it square, it have to be at least equal to 0. But for this case, you got negative value for square. That cannot be the right answer.